reorganizing the agency to consolidate those things.
Oh, fuck!
One, to eliminate the redundancy and streamline the agency. Most importantly, to redirect it.
Shit!
Sync will attempt to make an emergency call. To cancel the call, please choose cancel from the screen or press the hang up button.
Goddamn soda. What the? Jesus Christ.
I have a Dashcam. I have a Dashcam.
Hey, do you have a car seat?
Huh?
Do you have a car seat for the kid?
No.
I can't take the kid without a car seat. I'm sorry.
Well, you gotta cancel my. So you just gonna take my money? Don't nobody else complain about that.
Because it's the law. If he's under 8, he needs a car seat.
Nobody complains about that. I can hold
Yeah, well,
my
I can
baby.
get in trouble, and then you can get in trouble as well. Because
I just took a little film with my baby like this.
it would still. I mean,
you wasting my time on the thing, on the meter. So.
I mean, it's also my time too, but it's also your kid's safety. I can't take it without a car seat.
So what you gonna do? Cancel the ride now?
Yeah, I can cancel it for you.
Cancel it? No, you have to cancel it.
Yeah, that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to cancel
Huh?
it. That's what I'm going to do. I'm going to cancel it.
Okay, could you please cancel it so I can get my money back?
Yeah.
Asshole.
Oh, I got you on dash cam, honey. I can just tell Lyft about it.
Oh, suck a dick.